Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips Todzi. I dive into the secrets of Yahoo Finance and see if I can unlock hidden tips to boost my investing game. Yahoo Finance is one of the most popular financial news platforms out there, providing up-to-date information on stocks, bonds, and other investment opportunities. But I have to admit, I've often found myself wondering if I'm really getting the most out of it. Are there hidden features and functionalities that can give me an edge in the market? I've been using Yahoo Finance for a while now, and I've got to say, it's an incredibly powerful tool. Real-time stock quotes to in-depth analysis. It's got everything I need to stay on top of my investments. But I'm sure I'm not the only one who's felt like there is more to it than meets the eye. As I started digging deeper, I began to uncover some amazing insights that I'm excited to share with you today. From advanced charting tools to personalized watch lists, I'm going to show you how to take your Yahoo Finance experience to the next level. One of the biggest challenges I face when using Yahoo Finance is finding reliable data. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. And let's be real, it's not always easy to know what's accurate and what's not. I've lost count of how many times I've wasted hours searching for a specific stock or market trend, only to realize I was looking in the wrong place. Another challenge is understanding market trends. I know I'm not alone in feeling like the market can be unpredictable and overwhelming at times. It's like trying to read a crystal ball. You never know what's going to happen next. But what if I told you that there are tools on Yahoo Finance that can help you stay ahead of the curve? I've also struggled with finding the right resources to help me make informed investment decisions. It's not always easy to know where to turn for reliable information. And let's be real, it's not always easy to know what to trust. That's why I am excited to share some of the hidden gems I've discovered on Yahoo Finance. From customizable charts to real-time news alerts, I'm going to show you how to use Yahoo Finance like a pro. One of the things that's really impressed me is the advanced charting tools. Who doesn't love a good chart? But with Yahoo Finance, you can customize your charts to track the specific stocks and metrics that matter most to you. The personalized watch lists are another game changer. I like to keep an eye on specific stocks and industries, and with Yahoo Finance, I can create a watch list that's tailored to my needs. And with real-time updates, I can stay on top of market movements as they happen. Another feature that's really stood out to me is the financial news alerts. Who has time to sit at their desk all day watching the market? With Yahoo Finance, I can set up alerts that notify me when a stock or market trend is on the move. It's like having my own personal assistant, keeping me informed and up to date. But here's the thing. Most people don't know about these features. They're hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. And that's what I'm here to share with you today. One major tip that can significantly enhance your experience on Yahoo Finance is using specific filters for stock screening. Imagine being able to filter stocks by industry, sector, or even specific metrics like dividend yield or price-to-earnings ratio. It's a total game changer. With these filters, you can quickly and easily find the stocks that meet your specific criteria. No more sifting through pages of irrelevant information, just pure, actionable data. So, to recap, we've covered some of the hidden features and functionalities of Yahoo Finance. From advanced charting tools to personalized watch lists and financial news alerts. We've also talked about using specific filters for stock screening. These secrets can help you take your financial research and decision-making to the next level. And I'm not just talking about finding better stocks or making more informed investment decisions. I'm talking about saving time, reducing stress, and feeling more confident in your financial future. If you've got any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more finance-related tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.